Hearing reimagined. RONDO 3 gives clear, everyday sound without anything on your ear. Click it on, forget it's there, and get on with life. It sits on the head, so glasses, masks, hats, and helmets fit naturally. Light, discreet, and secure. It's built for long days at work and weekends out. Users often describe it as invisible after a few minutes comfort. You notice most when you don't have to think about it. Dual microphones help you focus on the person in front, while automatic sound management 3.0 adapts in the background. It lifts speech and softens noise, so conversations feel natural on the MRT at hawker centers, in classrooms, and in meetings. Wind is reduced, sudden clatter is softened, and you can still make quick tweaks with the FineTuner Echo. Just set and forget. Power is simple. RONDO 3 uses an integrated rechargeable battery designed for all-day listening. At night, place it on the wireless charging pad, and you're ready by morning. No tiny batteries to swap, no fiddly doors to open. A clear LED lets you check status at a glance. Simple routine, dependable power, less to think about every day. Stay connected. Use AudioLink for hands-free calls and media streaming in meetings, clinics, or on the go. Prefer direct streaming from a compatible phone. Add the AudioStream adapter. Podcasts, music, videos, and online classes feel easier when sound arrives clearly. Your audiologist can recommend the setup that best matches your devices and habits. Active Life Ready. With WaterWear, enjoy sound in the rain or even at the pool. Sweat and sudden showers become less of a worry, and the secure fit helps you move with confidence. Sound goes where you go. From gym sessions to weekend rides at East Coast Park. Real-life listening should work outside quiet rooms too. Using the latest MED-EL Synchrony implant, the S-Vector magnet option is designed for stronger retention, helping the off-the-ear processor stay secure. Your clinic can tailor magnet strength for comfort and hold. Always follow your implant's MRI and magnet guidelines. Your care team will guide safe steps for imaging when needed. Why choose it? Off-the-ear comfort and clean cosmetics. Clear speech with less effort in busy places. All-day rechargeable power and simple charging. Easy streaming with AudioLink and AudioStream. WaterWear for rain and pool days. Magnet options for secure retention. Built for Singapore life-humid commutes, quick showers, lively sound. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more real-world hearing tips. Learn more at www.MED-EL.com, RONDO 3, or visit www.hearlife.com.sg to explore local pathways, demos, and fittings. You can also contact HearLIFE Singapore at 91,702,802 or visit us at 304 Orchard Road, number 0522, Lucky Plaza, Singapore, 238,863. We're happy to help you know more information about RONDO 3.